She's picked the worst day ever to do this challenge. Don't know what to do. I'm panicking. And time up. Shloka, time up. यार 20 मिनट बचा है और मुझे कहीं पे भी डेनिम स्कर्ट मिल ही नहीं रहा है.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Firstly guys, thank you so much for all your love on my previous YouTube video. You guys know that I'm forever grateful for all the love and comments I receive on all my videos. Moving ahead, आज की वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है. This video is a shopping challenge with my sister Shloka and we both are going to style each other on a budget. हम सोच रहे कि Hill Road जाए and Hill Road जाकर we'll just give each other a budget of ₹3,000 and we'll design like a full outfit for each other. And let's see who wins. The winners are going to be my sisters and my mother Paki. So I'm very excited for this. But before that, let me tell you all, my sister falls in the Gen Z category and I am a millennial. So we thought we'll vibe each other's outfits according to that only. And since आज की वीडियो मेरी बहन के साथ है and she's a Gen Z, तो मैंने सोचा let's just surprise her with some Gen Z elements as well. आपने देखा होगा कि my full base makeup is completely done, but my eyes look incomplete. I've not done much. मैं usually भी इतना आंखों के साथ इतना नहीं खेलती हूँ. Since today's video is with my Gen Z sister, I thought let's surprise her with some bold and colorful eyeliners. So with me I have these Maybelline Tattoo Liner Play. They are in 6 different shades and I absolutely love them. देखो देखने में कितने fun and colorful लग रहे हैं. So let's try them out on me. I'm going to do like an eye look just in front of you. तो सबसे पहले I'm taking this dark pink shade. I think it's going to match my outfit as well. Shake this well. Let's go. My god, my hands are literally going to be shivering while doing this on camera, that too. But going for a winged eyeliner. I love the pigment. Just look at it. It's so cool. I slightly want it thicker, so I just have to do like one stroke and I just achieved what I wanted. Amazing. Now with this pink liner, I'm going to slightly highlight the corner of the winged and wow, just look at this. I have small eyes. So for small eyes, white is a very good color to pop it up. And now with this blue liner, I'm going to try and do something with the edges. I sort of drew an arrow and I think it turned out pretty cute. Really love the colors, really love the payoff. And it's really easy to use. Let me do the same on the other eye and also swatch all the 6 shades for you. Look at all these highly pigmented shades. They are so beautiful. They're smudge proof and they're waterproof as well. I've just completed my other side and just look at my eyes. They look so cool and bold. मैंने कभी नहीं किया तो मेरे लिए I think it's a 10 on 10 for the look. और सबसे ज़्यादा डर मेरे को इस बात का लग रहा था कि एक साइड का लाइनर दूसरे साइड से मैच होगा क्या नहीं. But I think they are identical. अगर आपको कोई गलती दिख रही है तो मुझे बता दो. But I am so happy with how it's turned out. It is giving me a complete fearless, bold and a very Gen Z chic vibe, which I'm really liking. आपने देखा रहेगा that always done these nude eyeshadows only, but this is something really cool. I'll quickly go and do my mascara and then let's call Shloka and show her my look and let's see her reaction. वो तो almost गिर ही जाएगी because मैं black liner भी नहीं लगाती हूँ आँखों पे. I don't do anything. I just do mascara. But ये सब देखकर तो I'm sure she's going to be very surprised. So let's go. Guys, mascara done and just look at my eyes. और भी अच्छे लग रहे हैं. Like they're really like popping out. I love this look. Do you like it? Do let me know in the comment section. Let me call my sister. Dingy!
Oh my god.
Say hi to my audience.
Hi guys. This is so funky and unlike you.
है ना?
Yeah, it looks very pretty. I love how you've shaped your eyes. Did you use my
Maybelline Tattoo Liner.
Yeah, these are mine. I got them for myself.
Stole it from her. But how do I look?
It looks very nice. I love how you've lined your eyes.
Because I thought आज का video is with her and she's a Gen Z, so why not do something fun with my eyes? So her eyes are boring right now.
Yeah, mine are boring in front of her.
Sorry. But anyways, guys, I think we both love this look and I think it's looking very pretty.
Very pretty.
है ना?
Yeah.
So in case if you're interested, the links of these liners are in the description box. Do check them out. And now we are going to continue with today's video where she is going to style me and I am going to style her under a budget which is ₹3,000. So are you ready?
Yeah. I'm nervous, but I'm ready. I'm very competitive, so I'm excited.
Oh my, yeah, she's very competitive and I don't care only. Okay, so we are two opposites. Let's go, guys. Woo. So we have left.
Wow, look at her eyes.
I'm really liking it, huh?
So funky.
Yeah, कभी-कभी नई चीजें करनी चाहिए. I think I've learned it from her. Hi guys, so we are in Hill Road. We've decided a very good day to vlog, which is 39 degrees today.
It's too hot.
It's really very hot, but we have just 30 minutes in hand. And Dingy, you want to explain the challenge to them in 3,000 rupees what all we'll do?
So we are going to style each other from head to toe in 3,000 rupees. We are going to be picking everything from accessories, top, shorts, chappal, सब कुछ, but one look. And summer look, right?
Summer look, a daytime summer look. And here we go. We are right now outside Nature's Basket. Exactly after 30 minutes we are going to meet in
Here.
outside this store. Okay? Are we ready? And we are going to self vlog.
So,
ये अपने
yeah.
phone से करेगी, मैं अपने phone से करूँगी. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Let's go!
Isha just ran from behind. I'm going to be starting my challenge. Okay, let's begin. It's for 250. I think this will go perfectly with her eye makeup also.
है बड़ा, एक size बड़ा, medium. Medium में क्या क्या है फिर? So guys, I'm finding clothes and here I meet one of my subscribers. Hi. What's your name?
Ashi.
Ashi. Okay. So Ashi, thank you for coming.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy.
Same here. So I just took a top for rupees 200 and I took a shorts for rupees 700. तो 900 मेरा ऐसा ही हो गया है.
She's picked the worst day ever to do this challenge. I did find something. I really like this dress. I think it's really pretty. It's for 750. I have to start bargaining. They shouldn't listen to me.
So I've come to this shop and I tried this cap. I think it looks really sexy with the shorts and everything. I think I'm taking this. कितने का दिया ये? 295. 295. Please कम में कर दो ना, मेरे वीडियो के लिए है. 200. Please मेरे वीडियो के लिए.
यार 20 मिनट बचा है और मुझे कहीं पे भी डेनिम स्कर्ट मिल ही नहीं रहा है.
I'm completely drenched in sweat right now because बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है. But my liners have not smudged, like they are perfect and intact. So this shows that the liners are also sweat proof. Now I'm going to go and I think I'll take some nice shoes for her. Let's see. डिंगी तो बहुत खुश होने वाली है आज because आज उसके लिए बहुत अच्छी शॉपिंग हुई है.
I hope I don't bump into her there. But even if we do, it's okay. She's right there trying to shop. I'm not looking at her. I don't know what to do. I'm panicking. I'm not good with deadlines. There is only 20 minutes left. Let's see. I'm nervous, guys. Only 15 minutes left. I have 12 minutes left and I have to go buy her dress because bottoms are not impressive. A dress and chappals and accessories and
गाइस मेरा सब कुछ लेकर हो गया है. सिर्फ मुझे एक बैग लेना बाकी है एंड आई हैव टू हरी अप बिकॉज
7 minutes left. चप्पल ले लिया है, आउटफिट लेना है and accessories लेनी है. The part about this challenge that I'm not liking is I'm not being able to bargain to my maximum potential.
डिंगी टाइम अप.
No, 5 minutes. 3:30 को होगा time up. You're not seeing me.
व्हाट यू व्हाट शो?
Nothing. I'm still left on the main task. Don't follow me. No, 5 minutes.
एंड श्लोका इज स्टिल नॉट हियर. आई एम तो डन. आई एम स्किपिंग द बैग. मेरे से नहीं होने वाला है. एंड टाइम अप. श्लोका टाइम अप. Guys, it's 3:30. I'm right here in front of Nature's Basket. My shopping is done. Shloka is not yet here. उसके marks cut करूँगी मैं.
I think I'll have a heat stroke.
Same. So guys, we just sat in the cab. We are so tired.
So tired.
Yeah, हमने इसके बाद एल्को के पास जाकर गन्ने का जूस पी लिया because like we didn't have any way of getting the fluids back. It's so hot and कैसा लग रहा है मेरा मेकअप?
It's looking very pretty, yaar. I love the blue that you've done in the side now.
Yeah, very nice. Like सब मेरा almost मेरा makeup
Yeah.
like उतर रहा है but the liner is still intact. We are back home and what we are going to do is I will wear the outfit that Dingy got for me and Dingy will wear the outfit that I got for her and we are going to come back and show you. Here we go in each other's styled outfits. Let me give you a closer look. So first thing, I got these earrings for her. This layered chain. This green top. Dingy, turn.
I really
Look
love the bag.
at the back. It's so nice. Wait, let me just put this inside. Tags भी है. Yeah. So look at the back. It's really nice. Turn, Dingy. This is the shorts that I got for her. And These are the Croc dupes that we got from Hill Road. I got this just for rupees 600. I really like it. What do you all think of Shloka's look? Please let me know. Dingy, how do you like the look?
I love it. I really, really love it. These Crocs, I think, are the best thing of the outfit.
Yes. Like these are really like really go-to summer wear.
So hi guys, this is Isha's outfit for y'all. Just look, get the overall look. I got her these earrings. This really pretty, please turn. I want to show the bow. This really pretty bow. This bag. I'm not a very big fan of the bag now after she's worn the outfit, but I think it's cute. These chappals. I love these flats. I think they give a proper beach vibe. Beach vibe is what I was going for her, and this dress is looking so cute. I think she looks really pretty and this goes with her vibe very well.
Khushi and Paki were not home, they were outside. So I video called them and asked them to judge our outfits and give us marks out of 10. And they have given us marks. In fact, Paki to loved the dress I was wearing. Khushi also loved both our outfits. So let's see what marks they have to give. Now next comes Honey. Honey was at home. So let's see what she has to say.
Oh, very cute.
Nice?
Yeah, very
So,
summer appropriate.
We are in the summer girl era. So,
Oh, liners.
you like my liner? Is it nice?
What do you put? 3 colors.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And it stayed like throughout. Nice,
It's
no?
looking very nice.
Yeah, it's the Maybelline tattoo liner.
Pink, white, blue.
Yeah, 3 colors.
All colors. Nice. I like both your looks.
Okay.
Rate us. Matlab, you can do.
Okay guys, so all 3 judges have decided what marks they're going to give us, and I will come back with the final results. Let's see who wins. So guys, we are back and the judges have given their verdict. Dingy, would you like to go ahead and say?
So judges को हमने झूठ बोला. Basically, I styled her and she styled me. ये हुआ था. This was the challenge. We styled each other. But we lied to them that I picked my own outfits and Isha picked her own outfits because we don't want them to be biased or partial or whatever. Even if they were, it worked against them because we styled each other. So judges में से 3 में से go ahead with that.
Okay, so there are 3 judges, Honey, Khushi and Paki. So Honey liked her outfit, but Paki and Khushi liked my outfit, which was styled by Dingy, which means that Dingy wins. Woo! And Honey liked this one. At least एक जन ने तो मेरा outfit like किया. I'm happy for that. Anyways guys, we had a lot of fun doing this challenge. It was so much fun. बहुत धूप है, but फिर भी चलो, at the end it's all worth it. I think if you guys want to do this with your sister, you all should, because you will come to know कि कितना मजा आता है ये सब चीजें करने में. And if you want us to make more videos like this, please do tell us in the comment section, and we'll come back with more interesting videos. Bye.
Bye.